Dear students of 10th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the biology class. I am Mrs. A. Chitra from Nelenada Metric Higher Secondary School, your biology teacher. Today here for you, presenting chapter number 13, Structural Organization of Animals. In the lower classes, you would have learned that kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups such as invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without backbone and vertebrates are animals with backbone. In this chapter, we are going to learn and understand the structural morphology and anatomy of an invertebrate animal, that is leech, and a vertebrate animal, that is rabbit. Now let us see the structural morphology and anatomy of Indian cattle leech. Now let us see the taxonomic position of leech. Leech belongs to phylum Annelida, class Hirudinae, order Nactobellida, genus Hirudinaria, and species Granulosa. Now let us see habit and habitat of Indian cattle leech. Hirudinaria granulosa is found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. It lives in freshwater ponds, lakes, swamps, and slow streams. They are ectoparasitic. Ectoparasites are organisms which live on other organisms' body for their food and shelter. Leech feeds on the blood of fishes, frogs, cattle, and human. It is sanguivorous in nature. Sanguivorous means blood-sucking habit. Now let us see the external morphology of leech. The body of a leech is soft, vermiform, elongated, and segmented. It becomes ribbon-shaped when extended and almost cylindrical when contracted. Leeches may grow to a length of 35 cm. Dorsal surface is olive green in color and the ventral surface is orange-yellow or orange-red in color. Metamerism is the segmentation of the body. The body of leech is metamerically divided into 33 segments. Metamerism or metamerically divided means the body is divided into similar segments or uniform segments. That is called metamerism or metamerically divided. The segments are arranged one behind the other. Each segment is further superficially subdivided into rings called annuli. I repeat, the body of leech consists of 33 segments. Each segment is further divided into ring-like structure, that is called annuli, singular annulus. A temporary clitellum is formed on segments 9 to 11 as shown here, which is meant to produce a cocoon during the breeding season. On the dorsal side, there are 5 pairs of eyes on the first 5 segments as shown here. Each segment bears a number of sensory projections called receptors. The receptors are sensory in function. Annular receptors are located in each annulus and segmental receptors are located on the first annulus of each segment. Leech has 2 suckers, that is anterior and posterior suckers. The sucker located at the anterior end is called anterior sucker or oral sucker, which is ventral in position, occupying the first 5 segments. The posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the last 7 segments. The anterior sucker helps in feeding, while both the suckers help in attachment and locomotion. The suckers are shown here by blue color. Now let us see the external apertures. Aperture means nothing but minute hole or pores. The body of leech consists of many minute holes for various purposes. They are called as external apertures. Now let us see one by one. Mouth. It is located in the middle of anterior sucker, which is used for feeding. Anus. It is a small aperture that opens on the mid-dorsal side of 26th segment, which is used to remove the fecal matter. The next is the nephridiopores. They are for removing the excretory waste. Nephridia open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiopores. Nephridia are the excretory organs. They lie ventrally on the last annulus of each segment from 6th to 22nd segment. I repeat, nephridia are excretory organs in leech. The nephridia opens outside through nephridiopores. There are 17 pairs of nephridiopores are there. They are located on 6th to 22nd segments. The next is the male genital pore. This is for male reproductive purpose. It is a mid-ventral opening situated between second and third annuli of 10th segment. Next is the female genital pore for the reproductive purpose in female. It lies mid-ventrally between second and third annuli of 11th segment. I repeat, male genital pore is found on 10th segment and female genital pore is found on 11th segment. The body of leech is divided into 6 regions. They are listed here. Cephalic region. Cephalic region means head region, which is 1st to 5th segment. Preclitellar region, that means the region before the clitellum, that is 6th, 7th and 8th segments. Clitellar region, 9th, 10th and 11th segment. Middle region, 12th to 22nd segment. Caudal region, that is tail region, 23rd to 26th segment. Posterior sucker, that is 27th to 33rd segment. Now let us see the structure of body wall of leech. The body wall of leech includes 5 layers. They are cuticle, outermost layer, epidermis, which lies below the cuticle, dermis, which lies below the epidermis, formed of connective tissues, muscular layer, formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. The last is the botryoidal tissue, lies beneath the longitudinal muscles and fills the entire coelom around the gut. Now let us see the locomotion in leech. Locomotion in leech takes place by looping or crawling movement and swimming movement. Looping or crawling movement, this type of movement is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The two suckers serve for attachment during movement on a substratum. Swimming movement, leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movements in water. Dear students, till now we discussed external morphology, external apertures, body divisions and locomotion in leech. Thank you. Have a nice day.